With the popularity of television shows specifically aimed at motorcycle enthusiasts young and old, the demand for Harley Davidson parts and accessories has become an overburdening experience for Harley people across the spectrum. With international and domestic interest at an all-time high, the amount of Harley merchandise being bought, sold or traded has multiplied dramatically over the past few years. We have set out to offer a free Harley Classifieds website for you to utilize when looking to buy, sell or trade new or used Harley Davidson parts and accessories. All makes and models of Harley Davidson motorcycles are specifically categorized when looking for specific products for a specific bike. Find exhaust pipes for a soft-tailed deuce, aftermarket parts for a Dyna Glide, saddlebags and windshield for a touring bikes, along with much more when searching for anything Harley at harleyhunters.com. Building a new bike and parts and accessories seems scarce near you? We offer the resources to find parts and accessories near you or abroad for your specific project's needs. Motors, tachometers, odometers and other gauges, headlights, taillights, gas tanks, forks, brake components, wheels, rims, motors, transmissions, motor oils, fluids and everything else for your bike can be found within the virtual walls of harleyhunters.com. Maybe you're looking to sell your present Softail to purchase a chopper or want to trade custom fenders for new wheels. Anything is possible if it has to do with Harley Davidson motorcycles. Our classified ads only consist of serious and reliable individuals, dealers and enthusiasts looking for a financial transaction having to do with Harley Davidson merchandise. The internet has given us the opportunity to offer you the ultimate resources to form relationships with people interested in a transaction of some kind for HD merchandise. Free Harley Classifieds offers a great opportunity for those searching and posting to no avail. Get away from common and almost always disappointing and expensive methods of advertising and purchasing Harley products. Post and search reliable classifieds for vintage, modern and custom parts and accessories for your Harley Davidson motorcycle. harleyhunters.com wants to give you reliable and viable access to countless resources for your Harley Davidson needs. Enjoy a comfortable experience in a safe, secure setting from the comforts of home, office or on the road at your convenience.